Analysts predict 100,000% growth for Shiba Inu. Should you load up on Shiba Inu token now? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking all things Shiba Inu and whether or not you should be loading up a bag. And here's the thing, guys, Shiba Inu has been pumping dramatically this bull run. It's had some highs, it has some lows, and currently we're in a low period. And honestly, I think loading up right now could be optimal for those who are interested in seeing a significant gain in a blue chipped meme coin. What do I mean by blue chip meme coin? I mean Shiba Inu, yes, it is a meme coin, but it's definitely standing the test of time and is very safe, or at least on the safer end of meme coins versus buying random brand new meme coins that are coming up. So let's go ahead and talk about exactly why you may want to load up on a bag of Shiba Inu. Here's how much you would have to have if you invested $1,000 exactly a year ago today. So for Shiba Inu specifically, if you invested exactly $1,000, you would have made $400, which is not too bad. A pretty decent gain if you ask me. 40% on your money. I mean, you're not like making that kind of money somewhere else. Now on the other side, for Bonk, we're talking about $58,000. Now, Bonk, especially a year ago today, was more what I was talking about in the earlier in the video, is how Shiba Inu is a blue chip, and what I meant by that is it's a safer bet, right? Versus Bonk, even Floki, where the gains are significantly higher, Turbo especially as well. These tokens were newer tokens at the time, which had a higher risk, right? That's a risk you take. However, when projects are strong, like Turbo, like Floki, and like Bonk, you can see some significant gains. Imagine investing $1,000 in Bonk a year ago and having $58,000 today. It'd be absolutely ridiculous, making crazy gains. That's almost a 58,000% gain, which is nuts. Okay, talking about some crazy opportunities like this, guys. If you're interested in Shiba Inu and you like the dog themed tokens, let's talk about Play Doge. Play Doge is the best play to earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile game play to earn that brings the iconic Doge meme to life with Tamagotchi style virtual pet. You can secure some of these tokens now during its pre-sale, and in 2 days and 4 hours they're having the next price hike. So you want to buy the absolute lowest price, now's your time to buy. This project was raised almost $6 million in the past couple of weeks, which is absolutely solid. And going back to this thing, guys, again, imagine just investing $1,000 into Play Doge. What could that $1,000 be potentially from a year from now? Now it is on the higher risk side, as it doesn't have proof of market, it doesn't have proof of history, as it hasn't been in the market for too long. But again, if you took that bet, could we see a $58,000 return on a $1,000 investment? Potentially a $35,000 return. I mean, even a $3,000 return, a solid 3x would be absolutely phenomenal. But it's interesting at least. So if you are on the high risk maneuver and you like buying into pre-sales, as you know, on this channel we're big advocates of pre-sales, you may want to load up on some Play Doge. But today this video is not about Play Doge, it's about Shiba Inu. As we've seen some pretty bold headlines, analysts predict 100,000% growth for Shiba Inu. The crypto market has been currently volatile. After its recent carnage, number of assets have increased, and the demand for meme coins has also not immune. Many meme coins experienced a sharp decline. At time of writing, Shiba Inu is trading at this price, which has increased by about 3% in the last day. However, it should be mentioned that in the past few days, Shiba Inu has decreased more than 15%. Current sentiment, despite its 45% of Shiba Inu holders hold a token at a discount to the going market price, meaning that they are in the money. And we can see some potential price predictions going as far as 2040 at a 5-cent Shiba Inu, and the gains could be absolutely tremendous. According to Telegram, a meme coin could experience a 100% surge in its price to its much awaited 1 cent milestone in 2040. Following the percentage of Shiba Inu holders' profits will greatly rise. Now again, if you're willing to stay on in the long haul, we could definitely see Shiba Inu hit 1 cent. Now 2040 is a long way from now, but again, if you have the patience, you may want to load up and hold, and that's where we're getting this bold statement of $1,000. That's not the only article, guys. Shiba Inu is getting pretty bullish headlines across the boards. We see investors sets price target for 10 top cryptocurrencies, seeing Shiba Inu hit 5 cents. Again, probably not a short timeline, probably something like 2040 as well. But the point is made that we are going to see Shiba Inu grow over the long haul. We go over to technical analysis, see what's going on with the technicals. We're seeing a summary of sell. Moving average is strong sells, however, oscillators are in neutral. In my personal opinions, it's the red days you want to buy on. When we're seeing Shiba Inu down, right? We go on the charts, right? We see on the 1 week, we're down about 15%. On the 1 month, we're down about 15%. This is honestly a 15% discount. If it makes just a recovery, you're making 15%, right? Now imagine if it hits its all-time high for this year alone. Now we're talking some solid gains. Then we go to all-time. If it hits its all-time high, Now we're talking about some even more serious gains, right? And again, this bull run could be the bull run to push Shiba Inu to a new all-time high, right? We haven't seen it break its previous all-time high. We haven't seen some crazy momentum in the meme coin market, even though Bitcoin has broke all-time highs this bull run so far. That being said, we're pretty bullish on Shiba Inu. It is, again, a top meme coin, number 2 in terms of top meme coins. And in terms of overall, it is ranked 13 on CoinMarketCap with a $300 million 24-hour volume and a massive $7 billion market cap, almost $8 billion. It'd be foolish not to hold some SHIB. We go over to Twitter, guys, and the Twitter is growing pretty fast as well. Over 3.8 million people following. We could see August 1st, we've turned 4. From humble beginnings, we've soared to over 150 million%. That's solid. We see Shibarium adopts, hits new highs. SHIB ecosystem thrives as Shibarium sets a new record of user accounts. It's a bullish trend for Shiba Inu on the horizon. That's exactly what it's looking like. But again, guys, remember, none of this information in this video is financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. I'm pretty bullish on Shiba Inu, guys, and I think we're going to see some pretty bullish momentum and bullish moves in the next coming weeks. Let me know if you're loading up on SHIB in the comment section below. And if you're going to buy some of the Play Doge, let me know in the comment section as well, as we're pretty bullish for that as well. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.